here I am again with a new lovely super easy crochet pattern which I will make with two color, pink and white. You can use color according to your choice. And here I will use 3.0 mm crochet hook. You can use this pattern in your any project as like baby blanket, baby jacket, baby sweaters, stole and shawl. So without wasting the time, let's start the video. But before starting the video, friends, I have a request that if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. So let's start the video. So to make this beautiful design, just make chain with the multiple of 8 and add 2 more chains. 8 के मल्टीपल में चेन बनानी है आपको इस डिज़ाइन के बनाने के लिए. किसी भी प्रोजेक्ट में डालें 8 के मल्टीपल में ही चेन बनाएं, प्लस उसमें आपको 2 चेन इसमें ऐड कर लेनी है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 चेन. अगेन 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Just count like this and make chain with a multiple of 8 and after that add 2 more chains. So here I have total 42 chains, 8 chains with 40 chains with a multiple of 8 and I have added here 2 more chains. In the first number chain make 1 single crochet. In second number make 1 single crochet. So make 1 single crochet in each chain. Okay, make 1 single crochet. Now let's start the design. Make 1 chain and turn your work and in the very first single crochet make 1 single crochet. जो सबसे पहले वाली single crochet है इसमें आपको एक single crochet बना लेनी है. 1 2 3 just skip 3 single crochet. 1 2 and 3 skip 3 and make 5 double crochet in the fourth one. Skip 1 2 and 3 and insert the hook in the fourth one and here make 5 double crochet, 2 chain and 5 double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 5 double crochet, 2 chain and in the same single crochet make 5 more double crochet. Okay, so in the fourth number single crochet make 5 double crochet, 2 chain and 5 double crochet all at the same place. सभी आपको एक ही place पे बनानी है. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Again skip 3 single crochet, 1 2 and 3 and add your work in the fourth one with single crochet. यहाँ पे single crochet से ही fourth number वाली में अपने work को add कर देंगे. Again skip 3 single crochet, 1 2 and 3 and in the fourth one make 5 double crochet, 2 chain and 5 double crochet. 1 2 3 4 and 5. 2 chain and 5 double crochet. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Again skip 1 2 and 3 single crochet and in the fourth one just add your work with single crochet. 3 single crochet को skip करके work को add कर देंगे. Just repeat the same process in your whole वर्क। सब में आपको जितने भी आपने मल्टीपल्स बनाए हैं सब में आपको इसी तरीके से बना के रेडी करना है। एंड एट लास्ट 1 2 3 skip 3 single crochet and add your work in the last single crochet. So this is the first row. For the second row, make one single chain and just turn your work, and in the very first single crochet where you have added your 5 double crochet, just insert the hook in the same place and make one single crochet. जहाँ आपने अपने वर्क को ऐड किया है उसी जगह पे एक सिंगल क्रोशिया बना लेंगे. And now these are 5 double crochet. This is the first one, so just insert the hook like this. Okay, इस तरीके से आपको हुक को डालना है and make one single crochet here. In the second double crochet, again insert the hook like this and make one single crochet. Second one, this is the third one. तो जितनी भी हैं आपको नीचे से उसमें हुक को डालना है और एक एक सिंगल क्रोशिया बना लेना है. This is the fourth one and now this is the fifth one. Okay, make 2 chain, 1 and 2, and in the left side here is also 5 double crochet, so just insert the hook. This is the first one, so just insert the hook like this and make one single crochet, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, one single crochet in each double crochet, and now here is the single crochet where you have added your 5 double crochet, so just insert the hook in the same single crochet and make one single crochet here again. फिर से यहाँ पे एक single crochet ही बना लेनी है. And now in the second pattern again insert the hook in first double crochet like this. इस तरह से इसे डालेंगे और यहाँ पे एक single crochet बना लेंगे. Again insert the hook like this and make one single crochet, 1 2 3 4 and 5, 2 chain and again 5 double crochet, 1 2 5 single crochet, 3 4 and 5, and just add it in this single crochet. So just repeat the same process and complete this row. Same process को ही इस तरह से करेंगे और अपनी रो को ऐसे ही complete करना है. And at last in single crochet make one single crochet, but don't over this loop. Here I will use next color. यहाँ पे मैं दूसरा कलर यूज़ करूँगी. So here I am using white color. You use color according to your choice. And now over this loop, one single crochet. Just turn your work and make one single crochet here, and 1 2 3 4 5 chain, and at the same place make one double crochet. So here is the V for the next design. 1 2 and 3 chain, and there is a 2 chain space, so just add your work here. यहाँ पे अपने वर्क को ऐड कर देना है. Again 1 2 3 chain, and in the next single crochet, this is the single crochet, so make 1 double crochet, 2 chain and 1 double crochet here. Again 1 2 3 chain and make 1 single crochet in next 2 chain space, 1 2 3 chain, and in the single crochet make 1 double crochet, 2 chain and 1 double crochet. Okay, repeat the same process and complete this row. And now at last in single crochet make 1 double crochet, 2 chain and 1 double crochet. Okay, so this is the third row. For fourth number row, make 1 chain, turn your work, and in the same place make 1 single crochet, 2 chain, and in next double crochet, this is the double crochet, so make 1 single crochet here. Okay, again 3 chain, 1 2 and 3. There is a 3 chain between double crochet and single crochet, so make 3 chain, and in this single crochet make 1 single crochet. जहाँ 3 चेन बनी थी वहाँ 3 चेन बनाई और सिंगल क्रोशा के ऊपर सिंगल क्रोशा बना ली, फिर से 3 चेन, अगेन 3 चेन, एंड इन डबल क्रोशा मेक 1 सिंगल क्रोशा. Now there is 2 chain space between 2 double crochet, so make here 2 chain and 1 single crochet in the next double crochet. And now between single crochet and double crochet there is 3 chain space, so make 3 chain, 1 2 and 3, and make 1 single crochet, again 3 chain, 1 2 and 3, because there is 3 chain space between double crochet and single crochet. And now in double crochet make 1 single crochet, 2 chain and 1 single crochet in next double crochet. So just repeat the same process and complete this row. At last again make 2 chain, and there is 1 2 3 4 5 chains, so just add your work in the third number chain with single crochet. Okay, make 1 chain, turn your work, and in the same single crochet, first of all make 1 single crochet, and now look, here is the space between 2 chain space, this one and this one, so just insert the hook in the first number chain. Okay, this is the chain space, so just insert the hook like this and make here 5 double crochet, 1 2 3 4 and now 5 double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5, and there is a space between 5 double crochet, 2 chain and 5 double crochet, so just add your work here. यहाँ पे अपने वर्क को आपको ऐड कर देना है. Again this is the space, 2 chain and 2 chain, so just the first chain space, insert the hook like this and make here 5 double crochet, 2 chain and 5 double crochet, 1 4 5, and again in this space 5 double crochet, 2 chain, so in 2 chain space add your work with single crochet, and this is the third V You can see the triangle, so there is the space, 2 chain space. So just insert the hook and make 5 double crochet, 2 chain and 5 double crochet. Repeat the same process and complete this row. Okay, repeat it and complete this row. And in last we make only 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and now add your work with single crochet. Okay, make 1 chain, turn your work and make 1 single crochet at the same place. And now there is 5 double crochet, so just again insert the hook like this and make 5 single crochet here. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, 5 single crochet, and this is the single crochet where you have added your 5 double crochet. So just make 1 single crochet here also. Again 5 double crochet, 2 chain and 5 double crochet. Repeat the same process which you have done in your first pattern. So make 1 single crochet in each double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After 5 double crochet make 2 chain and again 5 single crochet in next 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again add your work with single crochet and repeat the same process. So just repeat the same process and complete this round. And at last again make 1 single crochet in the last single crochet, but over the loop with the again next color. If you want to make it with 3 color, then just add the third number color. Here I am going to make it with only 2 color, so I am going to over last loop with the pink color. Make 1 chain and again repeat these 2 pattern. 1 chain and make 1 single crochet at the same place. Now 1, 2 and 3. 3 chain, and this is there is the single crochet, so make 1 double crochet, 2 chain and 1 double crochet. For next pattern 1 double crochet, 2 chain and 1 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. 3 chain, and again in this chain space add your work with single crochet. 1, 2 and 3. 3 chain, and in next single crochet make 1 double crochet, 2 chain and 1 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. 3 chain, and there is the 2 chain space, so add your work here. Okay, just repeat the same process and complete this row also. At last make 3 chain and make 1 single crochet in last single crochet. So the same process which you have done in your third row, for the fourth row make 1 chain and 1 single crochet at the same place. 1, 2 and 3. There is 3 chain space, so make 3 chain, and in first number double crochet make 1 single crochet. 2 chain, because there is 2 chain space, so make 2 chain and 1 single crochet. 1, 2 and 3. There is 3 chain space, so make 3 chain, and in single crochet just add your work. Okay, so make the same pattern which you have done in your 4th number row. So just repeat the same process and complete this row. At last again add your work with single crochet in the first number single crochet. 1 chain, just turn your work, make 1 single crochet in single crochet, and again do the same process, 5 double crochet, 2 chain and 5 double crochet. So there is the space, this is the your V, and just hold this 2 chain space and insert the hook, make 5 double crochet, 2 chain and 5 double crochet here. 2, 3, 5 double crochet, 2 chain and 5 double crochet. So here is the 5 double crochet, 2 chain and 5 double crochet, and now in this 2 chain space of 5 double crochet, 2 chain and 5 double crochet of white color, just add your work with single crochet here. Don't add in this single crochet, add it in the 5 double crochet, 2 chain and 5 double crochet. And now again this is the V, so in this space just insert the hook and make 5 double crochet, 2 chain and 5 double crochet. Just repeat the same process and complete this row. Now look, this is the pattern. So again repeat the same pattern of single crochet, 1 single crochet in 5 double crochet, 2 chain and 5 single crochet again, and add it in this single crochet. So this is the design of a 4 row, 2 row of first row of this V, second row of only of chain, and third row is of 5 double crochet, 2 chain and 5 double crochet, and the fourth row is of single crochet, 2 chain and single crochet. So just repeat these 4 rows again and again and apply this beautiful design in your whole project. So after some rows your design will look like this, and I hope you will like this video and you will apply it in your end project. So I will meet you with some new ideas in my next video. Till then, bye bye, thank you and have a nice day.